raise our voices, and it's especially important this weekend because people in Israel are under missile threat from Hezbollah and are forbidden from holding large gatherings. Let's let the families of the hostages and our brothers and sisters, the hundreds of thousands of Israelis taken to the streets for 21 months in a row now. That's incredible. Let's call the Israeli government to stop abandoning the hostages and bring them home now. Bring them home.
Alive.
Bring them home.
Alive.
Bring them home. This weekend was incredibly dramatic with the elimination of Hassan Nasrallah by the IDF. Nasrallah's death, as President Biden said, was a measure of justice. But operational success must not blind us to past lessons we've already learned. A large army cannot defeat a guerrilla force. As we see today, large parts of Israel are still under missile threat as a response. And does anyone at this point believe that Netanyahu, Smotrich, and Ben Gvir's government is interested in ending the war, signing a hostage deal, and establish security? No. The endless war is the fulfillment of Netanyahu's insistence to hold his power and Smotrich and Ben Gvir's messianic dreams, no matter what the cost is, in human lives, in destruction of the economy, in mass immigration. Shame on them, Busha. So we are here today to call enough. This madness has to stop. There is no military solution without a diplomatic vision afterward. So again, thank you so much for being here today. This is so heartwarming to be here with all of you. And these are some of the most challenging times of Israel's history. But we are not giving up. We are here in solidarity with the families of the hostages and the hundreds of thousands of Israelis taken to the streets until we reach a hostage deal and the end of the war, and we will keep working for a democratic future and a diplomatic solution for the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. So let's call that people in Israel will hear us all the way from here. Let's call out loud, bring them home.
Now. Bring them home. Now. Bring them home. Now.
Bring them home.
Now.
Bring them home.
Now. Bring them home. Now.
Bring them home.
Now. Bring them home.
Alive.
Bring them home. Bring them home.
Alive.
Bring them home. Now.
Thank you again, and I'm very